Hello everyone, it's your girl honey, it's your cousin, it's Angela. I am back again honey, and you know what today I'm going to do honey, we're going to deep fry us some pork chops, amen. Yep, we're going to do that. But listen, I got my breader bowl. I want to show you guys my breader bowl, okay? I'll leave a link down below where you can buy this breader bowl. I actually saw this on another YouTuber's page, and it comes in handy, and it's a very large size, okay? And when you open it, let me show y'all how we open it. Okay, so you take the top off, of course. But then, I got all my seasonings and it's at the bottom, right? So then this comes out. This comes out. And it's dishwasher safe, okay? So, of course, your meats will go on top here, okay? So, I'll put a link down below where you can purchase this at. And it's very inexpensive, very inexpensive. So, listen, let me show y'all the paper that it comes wrapped with, because I want to show my Southern Comforters, honey, what it looks like when you get it. So, this is the paper that it comes wrapped in. So, this is your breader bowl, okay? Like I said, I'll leave a link below where you can get it. I just want to save this little piece so I can show my Southern Comforters, okay? Listen, so of course you see my breaded bowl. I got my flour in there, my self-rising flour, and my special seasonings that I like to use. So, okay, I know you guys have seen this in your Kroger grocery store, wherever you live, if you have a Kroger's. So this is the Hooters wing bread, right? But listen, honey, we about to put this over in our breader bowl, honey, and we about to do this. So of course you got this and you got that, and we're gonna put these deep fried. So listen, I got my deep fryer here, and I'll put a link to that as well. I got my pork chops. They've already been washed twice, and they've been pre-soaked in a little bit of cool water and some vinegar to get all that out of there. So I just want to show you all. This bag I've already used on some chicken wings, so I had some batter left. I said, honey, we're not throwing none of that away. I'm going to get all my damn money, okay? Y'all know how cousin Angie feel about her money. Mama got to feed the family, honey. Listen, here's another brand new bag, never been used. So I like to store all my stuff in my refrigerator and keep it fresh. All right, amen? Okay, cool. Y'all see what I'm saying? Okay, cool. So listen, Mama going to bring on over the pork and the chop, okay? And I got a whole bunch of them, so... Of course, we got our pork chops. I'm going to put me a little bit of this wing batter over in here, honey. And let Mama show it. Let me get my things over here I had on the stove. Okay, and listen, let me show y'all. This is when our pork chops get done, okay? I'm going to put me some clean paper towels. This is made by Le Crochet, okay? Very expensive, very heavy. It's Le Crochet. I don't know if you can see that. Le Crochet. And so this is the pan that we'll be putting them in. This is very heavy, okay? So, and I'll put a link down below where you can get that. Well, might as well go ahead and tell you can get it on QVC. It's made by Le Crochet. You ain't hear that from me, but that's the name of it, Le Crochet. So I'm warning you now before you go to QVC and you order, you come back and be like, Cousin Angie, you know how much that damn pan costs? Yeah, it's about $300 just for one pan. So, yeah. So I'm going to put just a little bit of this batter in there. I'll put this over here to put in my bag, to put back in my refrigerator. So, just like that. So listen, we're going to go ahead, let Mama show y'all what we're doing. Now, all my special seasonings that I use, I've already mixed them up in here with my self-rising flour. The only thing I just put in here was a little bit of that, what is this, honey? The Hooters bread wing. This is some good stuff. You ain't had to hear it from me, but this stuff good, honey. It's just not for chicken, honey. You can deep fry you some ribs, honey, some pork chops. I told y'all I'm from the South. I ain't got time to be playing with y'all. Y'all sit up there and go hungry, eat on the peanut butter and jelly sandwich you want to. I ain't got time for that. Mama trying to feed the children. Now come over here and let your cousin feed your child. Okay, so we're going to get our pork chops. I got my oil nice and hot. So we're going to try to do 2 small ones at a time in here. Okay, now we have some little wings. We can put a whole bunch of them in here, but right now, we just want to get these pork chops in here. Alright. I ain't got time for my money to become flying out of here, so Mama got to make sure everything is nicely secured, okay? And you just shake it. You shake it. How convenient is that? You just shake it. Okay? And honey, yes, you can go back and wash your hands later. Look at there. Already. Honey, what we talking about? This is so convenient. Okay, cool. So listen, look at this. You just shake that little Essex off. Can y'all see? And we're going to put it in here just like that. Look at how hot that fire is. Put it in here just like that. Because we can, and it's our business. Okay? so we can get another one in here. We'll fry 3 at a time. I know you can fry more, but honey, I ain't trying to have a mess in my kitchen. You ain't have to hear from me, because cousin Angie ain't trying to have a mess, honey. I'm already cleaning up as we go along. But anyway, back to the food. My mom and grandma and them always say, clean as you go along. Keep your little plastic bag from your Kroger's, your Walmart, or whoever you're going to get the food from. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and lightly shake this. We done had some flour come out of here. So we'll clean it up in just a moment. Okay, we'll put this in here. And then what we do is we just lower it. Nice and slow. And it doesn't take long for these pork chops to fry. They're done in like 2 or 3 minutes. Probably less than that. You don't want to just drop it in there and then all the oil come rushing up. You got to be very careful. And this takes about 1.5 gallons of oil when you cooking in here. Okay. So we're going to let it do what it's got to do. It'll be done in about 2 or 3 minutes. And then Mama going to come back and show the children, okay? Okay, while our pork chops are deep frying for 2 or 3 minutes, I like to take a nice piece of Reynolds Wrap foil non-stick. You see the brand that I use. That's all I use is the Reynolds Wrap non-stick foil. I like to take a piece of this foil when I'm frying meat and just fold it over just a little bit to feed along in the inside of the pan that I'm going to put my meat into to drain on the paper towel. And the reason why I like to do this is because when you put this in the bottom of your pan first, let me show you. Okay, so this is the pan, right, that we're going to use, right? Okay, cool. So I'm putting the foil in here first. And then after I've positioned my foil in my pan just the way I want it, then I place my paper towels on top. And the reason why is because the foil holds the heat. I've always done that. The foil holds the heat for the meat. You don't have soggy meat on top of just the paper towel. You actually have the meat laying on top of the paper towel, but on through the foil under it. So, and then I fold my foil in half, and this is what we have, just like this, okay? Like I said, this dish is made by LILLY. I'll put the correct spelling of it beneath the video down below, and along with the link to where you can purchase this at on QVC.com. Like I said, I don't want to scare anybody, but I don't want you to go to QVC and you be like, Cousin Angie, you know how much that dish costs? LILLY's are very expensive. They start anywhere from $200, $300 to $700. They're very expensive. And one pan can cost you about $200, $300. I'm just warning you right now for those of you who are not familiar with it. But you're not getting some flimsy little dish. Everything you all see me cook with, except this little Hamilton beef thing, those things are very, very, very expensive. I'm going to show you our pork chops. Give me 1 minute. Let me bring y'all down here and show y'all the pork chops, honey. Look how nice and golden brown these pork chops are. So we're just going to flip them for one time, honey. And they smell good, honey. And put me some good old hot sauce on it, honey, with a piece of bread. And put me some french fries on the side. Y'all ain't ready for what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all better stop playing with me. Y'all see that right there? Don't take long in here. Got to keep your oil clean. The book says that you can use this oil at least 3 times. I've had this thing for over a year. I've had this Hamilton beef for over a year now. It's very good. You just have to be sure to keep your oil clean. Whatever you do, you drain your oil, you keep your oil clean, you keep your unit clean, and you can always repurchase a basket or an item that you need for it by going to HamiltonBeach.com. But this can be purchased in Walmart or through Amazon. It's up to you. I didn't purchase mine in Walmart. I got mine at Amazon. But you're going to love this LILLY. And this is so convenient, deep frying pork chops or chicken or fish. Or if you want to fry some pork ribs, you know, this is so convenient than standing over that stove because everything is done in 2 or 3 minutes, right? And look at there, our pork chops are fully done. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out. We're gonna drop some more in our pan. Just like that. Look at that. Look at that. Honey, honey, honey. Y'all weren't ready for me. Ooh, that oil is hot. So convenient. Voila. Okay. So next, I'm going to get my bread bowl. And we're going to cook up some more. Okay? I'll do a couple more pieces with you all. And then I'll do some off camera. And then I'll come back once everything is all done. Okay? I'll show you all the final outcome. Honey, Mama didn't have it on tight enough earlier. My money went to flying, honey, and I don't got upset because you know Mama ain't got time to be throwing away the money, honey. Look, we got 6 kids, okay? I ain't got time for it, okay? And don't say, oh, congratulations. Listen, child, listen. I got a 29-year-old. I got a 27-year-old. Those are the 2 girls. I have a 20-year-old son, a 16-year-old son, a 17-year-old daughter, and a 14-year-old daughter. Honey, listen, it's all good in the neighborhood, amen? But you ain't about to be throwing my money away. Not with all them hungry jacks. Okay. Okay, so we're going to open up this batter just like that because I can. And then, come on, honey, let Mama bring the children to the party. I'm talking to the children, honey. Children can't even get to the party to eat. Okay. Okay, listen. That one really wasn't mixed well. I'll put a little bit more batter on that one. Okay. Ooh, child, what y'all talking about? I'm going to shake this one up just a little bit more. Let me put the other one in here with it. There we go. Now, I ain't got time for my money. We going to beat the hell out of this one. All my money ain't coming out of here, amen? Let me pick it up by here. Lucy ain't about to come flying out of here like she Delta Airlines. This ain't Spirit. This ain't Southwest. This here's the bread bowl. I need you to stay in the bread bowl. Anybody told you go fly no friendly skies? There we go. Now she nice and toasty. Get on over in there like that for the one time. All right. Make sure we space them out as best we can. All right, honey. There we go. Taking them to the party, honey. They're going on down there to cook so we can eat. And it's going to take 2 or 3 minutes. And as soon as these get done, I'll come back and show you these. And then I'll cook the rest of them off camera. And then Mama going to come back and show the children, honey, with these delicious. I'm going to tell you that Hooter wings, that wing stuff over there, that Hooter wings breader, that stuff is delicious. It has the best flavor in it, except I put my own little twist on it, honey, with my own little special seasonings on it, honey. And then when it come up out the oil, honey, give me some over there, the red hot sauce, honey, Louisiana hot sauce. You ain't had to hear it from me. But Cousin Angie ain't playing with the children for the one time, okay? Y'all better stop playing with me. Roadman done told y'all we living on the 5th floor for the one time. Y'all let me be throwing my money away. I ain't be playing with y'all. Y'all see I ain't let her go flying out that damn boat, right? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to have to fix me a little drinky drink for the one time, okay? All right, children, Mama will be back in a second. Now, y'all stand by. Don't be playing with me. Okay, so our pork chops are done. So, we're going to take these out. I got me some clean tongs. I got the other tongs over there. I didn't want any cross-contamination, so got that for the wet meat and got these for the dry meat. So, listen. I had to wash them up. So, listen, these pork chops are done. I'm going to cook the remaining pork chops off camera. Uh-oh, Jesus. Okay, cook them off camera, and then once everything is done, Cousin Angie will come back, honey, and show the children all the pork chops, okay? All right, so I'll be back when they get done. Okay, everyone, so our pork chops are finally done. Oh, and they smell so delicious, honey. Yes, you got to try this. And I did mention that I added my own special seasonings to the Hooter wing breader, okay, that I use for my pork chops. I hope that you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. And also, please share. And if you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a message. And welcome to all my new Southern Comforters. I welcome you. Thank you for joining me.